What page is this? 291. Julia, Alex, Mario, and Monica work together to solve the inequality. So what am I working on? Tom's? Whoops. Pages 292 to 290. Oh, 291 to 296, but I skipped 293 to 94. Okay, so this is page 291, number 2. Alex, Julia, I said their names out of order, Mario and Monica work together to solve the inequality. The inequality says 5x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 17. None of the students agree on how to solve the inequality, though some of them arrived at the same solution. Who has the correct process and solution for this inequality? So tell me what I have to do. I need to know the process. First, I add 3. Then what? Good. Divide by 5. Y'all paying attention? Okay, so now I actually need to do it. You can write this down here in this space because there's room. I'm just writing it on separate paper because I like to have a lot of space. So add 3. The answer's already there. Am I doing too much? Let's go through it. Julia says to add 3. Listen, Alex says to subtract. Is Alex wrong or is Julia wrong?
They're both wrong.
Wait a minute. They're not both wrong. Oh, so this is where she went wrong. So she's wrong. He said to subtract. He said to subtract. So there's only one person who's correct. Okay. So did I need to do all of this? Nope, it's extra. Okay, Brayden has 3 soccer balls and 2 basketballs. That weigh a total of 5.44 pounds. Each basketball, listen, weighs 1.37 pounds. Which equation and solution can be used to determine S, the weight of the soccer balls, each soccer ball? So 2 basketballs, 3 soccer. It's a total of 5.44, and the basketballs are 1.37 pounds. What can I do here? Multiply what?
2 and 1.
Why? Two basketballs. Learn how to spell basketballs, Miss Starling. And each one is 1.37 pounds. What's 7 times 2? 2 times 3? Plus 1? 2 times 1? Oh, y'all are supposed to be telling me what to do. I didn't forget. Go for it. Y'all got the floor. I already have my decimal. What else do I have to do? Oh, we're stuck. Add what? What do I not know?
Add the answer. The weight of the soccer ball.
Okay, I don't know the weight of the soccer ball. So if it's something I don't know, what do I use? S. How many S's do I need?
3.
So look at your answers. Stay focused. Which answer makes the most sense and why? Why? It's got 3S, and what else does it have? All right, I need 3S, and I need my 2.74. Okay. All right, number 4. Melvin plans to attend a comic book convention in March. The expenses, including entry fee, hotel, food, and lodging, will be a minimum of $550. If he has $540, can he go on this trip? Huh?
No.
What's the least amount of money he needs? If he has $600, can he go on this trip?
Yes.
If he has $850, can he go on this trip? If he has just the $295 saved, can he go on this trip? No. So he currently has $295 and he earns $850 per hour. Whenever you see per hour, what does that mean I need to put next to that $850? H. Good. I wish. He has, stay focused, $295. What do I need to do to figure out how much time he needs to work to earn the rest of his money?
Multiply 850. Times 30. $8.50 times 30.
Okay, $850 times 30. What'd you say, sweetheart? Not enough. Okay, what do I have to do here?
Multiply. Oh, 0.
Y'all sound like y'all want to work by yourselves without me.
Yeah, put another 0. That's 0. 8 0 times 8.
Y'all are doing the most. I don't need to do all of that. Just do 3 times 5.
15.
Keep going.
24.
Now what? He needs $2,550? He needs $25.50? Okay. What is this 30? Now what?
Then you add it all together. It's exactly 200. Exactly 500. So 5.5 is 10.
So what's my answer though?
555. No, right there.
Those aren't options.
Oh, it's equal to 8. It's negative. What is equal?
First of all, what is 30? Yes. Now look at your answers. What does this mean? This does not mean less than. So how do I explain that? He needs to work
more than 30. No, he needs to work exactly. Exactly or more.
Okay, which one shows exactly 30 or more? Why is it not H? Good. You gotta know what it means. So 30 hours. So how would I say this in a sentence? Melvin needs to.
30 or more. 30 hours.
Needs to work 30 hours or more, greater than or equal to or exactly 30 hours. Tell me what to do for number 5. Stay focused, because you're not. Y'all aren't focused. Say it again. Where?
Both sides.
Okay, I'm not writing until you tell me what to do, and right now you sound like you don't need my help.
which is 196. 196. And then it's then you break down. Oh, then you have to do times 3. Yeah, times times.
Hey, sit down.
Times 2/3 times negative 2/3. Times 2. Times 3. It's times 2. It's times negative 2/3 on both sides. Because that's the whole coefficient. She said no. Time. You're so close. Oh, okay. Come on. Times 3. Times 3/2. Times 3/2. Times 2/3. No. Oh, what is times 2/3? Wait. The process. Because negative coefficient. So you have to say both sides. Both sides. Oh my God. What do you mean? I said both sides. Yeah. Oh. Keep changing. That's what I said. Oh. I said that already. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I know I'm going to. It's negative. That's why it's negative. It's a coefficient. Switch the sign. Oh, I totally forgot about that. What? Multiply. You cross it out. Cross it out. Then you have to she said focus. Times 3/2. You already said that. Are you? No, times negative 3/2. You have to make it a negative decimal. Just make it a decimal. Wait, negative so 3 times. Yeah, negative. Negative 3 times 196. Negative 196 divided by 2. And then you do that times 3. 196 times 3. Okay, so you no 196 divided by 2. And then that will be 588 divided by 2. Do it. 588 divided by 2. Wait, that will be 2 divided by 19. That will be 9. Yeah. 98. 98. Bro, before you got let's focus. 1. 6. Drop down to 6. Drop down to 6. That will be 8. Who's right? I know I was right. No, yes, 27. Wait, that's 24. 27 to 29. 3 times 9 is not 20. Oh my gosh. Negative 3 times 9 is not 29. It's 27 divided by 2. What's that do? Oh yeah. Oh, 588 divided by 2. The first one would be 588 divided by 2. 2. Goes with the 2 times. Minus 4. 244. Minus 4. No, I don't know. 4 minus 4. And then you bring down the 8. 18. That's 9. And then that's 9. 299.
No, it is not.
No, 294. Oh, it's 200. Yeah, 294. Oh, wait, yeah, 294. I'm very sure.
I showed, excuse you, I showed it 2 different ways. So I showed you dividing by 2. I showed you dividing 196 by 2. Stop talking. And then I multiply by 3. And then over here, somebody multiplied by 3 first, and then I divided by 2 second. Did I get 294 both times?
Yeah.
And what am I missing?
Negative.
So, negative 294. Did my sign flip?
Yeah.
Yes.